Hey guys, welcome back. Before proceeding further, let us try to understand what is a bean scope. Now, bean scope is an entity whose effect is on bean. How it affects? Firstly, it affects the life cycle, how it is created or destroyed. It also affects how many instances would be created, whether one instance is allowed or many instances are allowed, and how the bean is shed. So bean scope has a substantial effect on the bean, and we're gonna check different type of bean scopes. Now let us check the type of bean scopes. There are majorly 4 type of bean scopes. First one is singleton. By default, singleton scope would be applied to your bean. Means singleton is the default scope. Either you define it or you don't define the scope. Singleton would be used. Moreover, there is yet another bean scope, which is prototype. If we define the bean as prototype, then this particular scope would be applied. Then we have request and session. Now friends, request and session are the scopes which are exclusively used in the web application scenarios, and we will check these two scopes when we would be discussing the web applications and Spring MVC. Then we would be checking these two scopes, request and session. In this particular section, we will discuss about singleton and prototype scope. Now, as the name suggests, singleton scope means only a single object instance would be created for a specific bean in the application. Whereas, if we talk about the prototype scope, then multiple object instances may be created based on the program. And we will try to understand these two scopes with the reference of the program. So I suppose I have made myself clear. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.